The Cooltool stands for production and sale of innovative, problem-solving oriented products in the fields of model construction and craft. Product development and planning, production, logistics, marketing and sale is done by a small, motivated team. As a small, flexible, internationally active toolsmithy, we are able to react to customer requests as quick as to market changes.
Unimat 1, the module system for 6 and more machines. 4 single components comprise the jigsaw. It is completely safe due to the special design and short blade stroke. For the working of metal, plastics, or massive wood. Jigsaw is modified to a metal turning lathe. With the machine bed, longitudinal and lateral slides plus the turning tool, gears with a 3-jaw chuck. For longer workpieces, there's the tailstock, and of course, the motor. Things to 1/10 of a millimeter on the adjustment wheel allow for precision work. For the model builder, the small Unimat 1 lathe, faceplate turning. The wood piece is screwed tight on the turning disc and can be worked both inside and outside. Rings are especially impressive in wood. The spindle axis allows the working of very long work pieces. Precision and elegance in detail characterize such charming models. Even wood as thick as an arm can be worked. Model construction begins with horizontal milling. Three slides enable three-dimensional working. With the supplied tools, it is also possible to work plastic. Also possible is the grinding of workpieces at a pre-given angle. All of the other machines, a wide variety of materials can be worked. Soft metals, noble metals, sheet metal, printing plates, as well as plastics and wood. Unimat 1 can become a handheld drill, and small repair work can be easily carried out. The sixth possible use with the Unimat 1 is for grinding work, either by hand, which is ideal for the final touch of models, or stationary. Unimat 1. There are no limits to creativity with this module system. Unimat 1. 6 times precision in one single machine. An Austrian quality product by Cooltool. It is the module system that is new with this machine. This is the reason why the Unimat 1 has received prizes at every international invention fair.
The powerful jigsaw can be used with plywood, solid wood, balsa wood, plastics and thin sheets of soft metal. It has a cutting capacity of up to 20 mm balsa, 7 mm solid wood. No annoying opening and clamping of the jigsaw blade when cutting windows and holes. The only child-friendly jigsaw in the world. The short strokes allow for precise cutting, but can only vibrate the skin, thus not allowing the skin to be cut by the blade. Ideal for both your intricate work and the child's projects.
one playmat box for 4 machines. Machine number 1, turning. Machine number 2, sawing. Machine number 3, drilling. Machine number 4, sanding. Four machines, one playmat. Here we see how the drilling machine is put together and converted to a sanding machine, and now to a keyhole saw. The Playmate turning lathe is very quick and easy to set up. The Playmat turning lathe fascinates children right from the word go. They'll soon turn into handy little craftsmen. Just one more piece of sandpaper, and here we have another finished masterpiece. You can do a number of different jobs with the Playmat drilling machine. For example, drilling holes for sawing out into different shapes. And even the Playmat keyhole saw is perfectly safe for children to work with. It's designed to cut wood, not woodworkers, so children can do fine cutting work without risking injuring themselves. Skin is elastic, so it can vibrate along with the saw blade. The Playmat keyhole saw, guaranteed childproof. The Playmat lets you do neat sanding jobs too. Now the last wheel's finished, and the steam locomotive too. And now the train can pull out of the station just as it did in the good old days. The handbook, with its many plans and ideas, makes child's play of model making. The box contains a safety transformer and a tremendous range of accessories. Playmat keeps kids creative.
StyroCut 3D is a new kind of hot wire cutting machine for the thermal treatment of styrofoam and similar synthetic materials. With StyroCut, a common steel wire is heated up to 800 degrees Celsius that allows for cutting in any profile. The biggest advantages of the steel wire are, it can be formed into any shape, it is much more economical, and it has a very long life.
Ever wanted to own a mill or a lathe, this is the tool you should take a closer look at. It will live up to your highest expectations and at a price you can easily afford. Otonomus and Uniturn will please the most demanding tool enthusiast. They perform milling, drilling, turning, threading and any other conceivable machine operation you would expect from a tool of this type.
He boasts successful model of our milling and engraving devices and has proved itself 1,000 times over the years. Its delivery as assembly kit saves shipping costs and specially addresses hobbyists. Well covered, it is protected against dirt and easy to maintain.